show you. Here's a lovely watch, a Windup watch vintage. I'll show it you at working now.
Lovely condition
Windup, Windup watch. Vintage. I'll show it you at working now. Lovely. See, again, works perfectly, in amazing condition. Lovely. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a other watch. It's a Rolex shooter. In lovely condition. It's a wind-up one. Works perfect. Rolex. In lovely condition. A lovely condition wind-up watch. It works perfect. Is it it's a wind-up one? Lovely, lovely condition. A man watch, vintage, really old-fashioned. Lovely. Casing. The glass is really shiny and it goes out like that really nicely. Thank you for watching. Bye.